Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. For the secondary accounting class, here on the screen you can see the trial balance we are doing. So this is Mr. Ajim. He's a businessman. These are the transactions for him occurred during 31st December 2012. Okay, so what you need to do from here, the first one, which of the above entry will not be added to Ajim's trial balance. Second one, prepare a trial balance with the above ledger balance. These are all the ledger balances. You need to make a trial balance from it. And the last one, differ Mr. Ajim's total asset and expenses with that transactions. What will be his total asset and the total expenses? So first one in here, what will be which of the above entries will not be added? You know, the closing stock and opening bank balance. Look at this, always these two entries will never be added. So the money actually getting from, look at in here, is 16,000. That's a closing inventory, and the cash opening bank balance. So opening bank balance in here you can see the opening bank. Okay, so this two entries will never be added. So next one in here, according to the things given in here, the transactions, we are going to put all of it. Opening stock, this is always on the debit side. Salary is an expense, so it's on the debit side as well. Selling, this is also expense. All the expenses, remember, it will come to the debit side. The cash, this is your assets, so assets also on the debit side. Furniture, that's your asset as well, the debit side. Machinery, your assets on the debit side. Debtor, this is money you have to pay. That means this is your expense, is going to be your expenditures, or it is already, so it's on the debit side. Now the creditors, okay, so you will get the money that's related to your capital. All the capital related things, or the liabilities are on the credit side. So this one in here, loan, also your liability, credit side. Capital, always credit. Drawings, that's your money, your expense, and so it's on the debit side as well. Sales, you get money, that's so when you are getting money, it's increasing your capital, so it's on the credit side. Purchase, that you lose your money, your expense, so it's on the debit side. Freight out, freight in, these are your expenses, both of it, so on the debit side. And now where the suspense account, so it's 5,000, actually here on the debit side is 292,000, but this one is less. So after all of it perfectly, when you're giving the entry, if anything is not missing, so you can give an entry that's named suspense account. So suspense account 5,000, because this column was 5,000 less, so here it is 5,000, so both end now equal. So with the two increase, close the account. Now the next one, the question is Mr. for Mr. Ajim's total assets and expenses with that transaction. So what the total expenses and assets in here, all these are the assets, closing stock, okay, bank balance, furniture, his assets, machinery, data, cash, and these are his assets. Remember, it's not about the closing stock, it will not be added in here. Closing stock will only not be added in the trial balance. Okay, now the next one in here, salaries, these are expenses. Selling expenses. Freight in, freight out, these are expenses. Drawing, also expenses, because you will lose your money, you will spend somewhere. And the last one, purchase, when you made a purchase, you have to pay. So these are all the expenses. Okay, so it doesn't need to be same balanced by together. Here 166,000 and here 128,000, so close the account. Okay, you just need to show what's the assets, what are the expenses for him. That's it. You don't need to show the both side same. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any other problems or any question comes in your mind, just let me know it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Enjoy your classes. Take care. Goodbye.